Welcome to the world of woodworking. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this craft offers an exciting opportunity to explore your creativity while developing practical skills. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a journey that combines artistry, craftsmanship, and a touch of science. From the moment you pick up your first piece of wood, you enter a realm where your ideas can be transformed into tangible creations. This guide will introduce you to simple wood projects that are perfect for honing your skills, as well as provide insights into the techniques and tools that will help you along the way. As you delve deeper into woodworking, you'll discover a community of passionate individuals who share your enthusiasm for crafting with wood. This craft not only allows for personal expression, but also provides a platform for learning, sharing, and collaborating with others. From mastering basic cuts and joints to experimenting with finishes and designs, every step you take will contribute to your growth as a woodworker. Whether you aim to create functional items for your home or aspire to turn your hobby into a profitable venture, the skills you develop will serve you well. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of woodworking, where the only limit is your imagination. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of woodworking, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and inspiring projects that will help you elevate your skills and creativity. Sharing this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone interested in picking up this rewarding hobby can help build a community of creators who support each other along the way. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, as we have some exciting insights, additional resources, and a special bonus that you won't want to miss. Your engagement makes a difference, and together, we can explore the endless possibilities that woodworking has to offer. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that not only allows for creative expression, but also offers practical skills that can lead to various opportunities. For beginners, starting with simple projects can build confidence and familiarity with tools and techniques. As you explore woodworking, you'll discover the satisfaction of transforming raw materials into functional or decorative items. This journey begins with understanding the fundamentals, including the types of woodworking, finishing techniques, and the potential market for your creations. Woodworking encompasses a variety of styles and approaches, each with its distinct characteristics. Traditional joinery techniques involve creating strong, long-lasting connections between pieces of wood, while modern methods may incorporate advanced tools and materials. Beginners often gravitate towards straightforward projects that emphasize basic construction and design principles. These can range from simple home decor items, such as picture frames or shelves, to functional pieces like tables or storage solutions. Familiarizing yourself with different types of woodworking, such as furniture making, cabinetry, and decorative woodworking, can help you identify which projects resonate most with your interests and skills. Basic woodworking techniques. Mastering basic woodworking techniques is essential for any beginner looking to develop their craft. Key skills include measuring accurately, cutting with precision, joining pieces effectively, and applying finishes. Starting with simple projects allows newcomers to practice these fundamental techniques while creating something tangible. For example, learning how to properly measure and cut wood will help ensure that pieces fit together seamlessly. Techniques like drilling, sanding, and assembling are foundational to woodworking and will serve you well as you progress. As you become comfortable with these basics, you can gradually incorporate more complex methods into your projects, building both skill and confidence. Finishing technique. Finishing is a crucial aspect of woodworking that can significantly enhance the appearance and durability of projects. For beginners, starting with basic finishes such as paint, stain, or sealants can protect the wood and improve its aesthetic appeal. Each type of finish has its unique properties. For instance, stains can enrich the wood's natural grain and color, while paints provide a more uniform and vibrant look. Clear sealants, on the other hand, Add a protective layer without altering the wood's appearance. Understanding the advantages and applications of different finishes will allow you to make informed choices that suit your project's intended use and style. Experimenting with various finishing techniques can also be a creative outlet, allowing you to personalize your work further. Market opportunities. As you develop your woodworking skills, the idea of turning your hobby into a small business may become appealing. The market for handmade wooden items is thriving, with consumers increasingly seeking unique, artisanal pieces that reflect craftsmanship and personality. Simple projects can serve as an excellent entry point into this market, allowing you to test your skills and gauge customer interest without a significant financial investment. By creating a portfolio of your work and showcasing it through social media or at local craft fairs, you can begin to build a customer base. Understanding your target audience and their preferences can help you tailor your projects and marketing strategies effectively. Profit potential. Turning woodworking into a profitable venture requires careful consideration of various factors, including materials, time investment, and pricing strategies. While simple projects may not yield high profits individually, they can be produced efficiently, allowing you to sell multiple items. Keeping track of your costs, such as wood, tools, and finishing materials, is essential for determining the right pricing for your products. Researching market prices for similar items will help you remain competitive while ensuring that your projects remain profitable. Many successful woodworkers start by selling small items, gradually expanding their offerings as they gain experience and confidence in their craft. Job opportunities in woodworking. The skills developed through woodworking can lead to various job opportunities within the industry. Whether you choose to work for a company or start your own business, the demand for skilled woodworkers remains strong. Industries such as construction, furniture manufacturing, and custom woodworking are constantly seeking talented individuals who can bring innovative designs to life. For those interested in a formal career path, pursuing education in woodworking or related fields can provide valuable training and insights into best practices. Additionally, apprenticeships and mentorships can offer hands-on experience and networking opportunities, paving the way for future job prospects. Community engagement. By connecting with fellow woodworkers, you can gain inspiration, learn new techniques, and receive constructive feedback on your work. Participating in community events, such as workshops or demonstrations, can further enhance your skills and foster a sense of camaraderie among enthusiasts. These interactions often lead to lasting friendships and the exchange of knowledge, creating a supportive environment for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Environmental considerations. As a woodworker, it's essential to consider the environmental impact of your projects. Choosing sustainable wood sources and eco-friendly finishes can contribute to a more responsible woodworking practice. Many consumers today prefer products made from sustainably sourced materials, making eco-friendly practices not only ethical, but also marketable. Being mindful of waste and recycling materials whenever possible can help reduce your environmental footprint. Incorporating sustainability into your woodworking projects can attract environmentally conscious customers and enhance your brand's reputation, allowing you to build a business that aligns with your values. In summary, woodworking offers a fulfilling and enriching experience for beginners and seasoned craftsmen alike. Starting with simple projects allows you to build foundational skills while exploring various woodworking types and finishing techniques. The potential for market opportunities and job prospects further enhances the appeal of this craft. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember to engage with the community, consider your environmental impact, and embrace personal growth. With dedication and creativity, you can transform simple wood projects into impressive creations that reflect your unique style and skills. Whether for personal enjoyment or profit, woodworking is a rewarding pursuit that can enrich your life in countless ways. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content helpful and inspiring for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips that will enhance your skills. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing valuable content. We look forward to seeing you in our future videos, where we'll explore even more creative ideas and techniques together. Happy woodworking!